Managing global organization design, considering local rules, cultural differences, time zones, span of control, and technology platforms. Managing global organization design is a strategic process used by management to determine the formal arrangement of an organization's components, including headquarters, subsidiaries, reporting relationships, and tasks. This design is essentially influenced by the stage of international development, the level of cross-border coordination required, and the complexity of the firm's operations. Within this context, the Global Professional and Human Resources, GPHR, is responsible for creating and managing an organizational architecture that accounts for several critical variables: local rules and compliance. Organizations must be sensitive to host government requirements and complex business regulations, as these can significantly impact a firm's competitive position. Effective design requires compliance with international, regional, and local laws to control the risk of global litigation. Regulatory patchwork. HR must navigate varying standards for data. Privacy, such as the GDPR, employment contracts, and labor standards. Localization pressures. Many firms face acquired rights laws that restrict an employer's ability to change employment terms after a merger or acquisition. Due diligence. In the design phase of expansions, or M&As, HR must perform due diligence to map and compare organizational structures and processes to decide how to manage differences. Cultural differences. Cultural differences should not be viewed as barriers but as factors that shape localized practices while maintaining alignment with core standardized principles. The global-local paradox. HR must choose between global integration, GI, standardizing, processes for scale and local responsiveness, LR-AD, adapting to local preferences, and cultural institutions. Leadership and communication. In high-context cultures, communication is often indirect and implicit, whereas low-context cultures prefer explicit and precisely written criteria. These preferences dictate how job descriptions and performance expectations are designed. Dilemma reconciliation. Managing these differences requires dilemma reconciliation, a four-step process of recognizing, respecting, reconciling, and rooting cultural diversity within the design. Time zones and geographic dispersion, the physical separation of workers and managers across different time zones, necessitates a shift from managing daily activities to managing projects and results. Follow the sun. Advanced HR delivery models may utilize a follow-the-sun approach, ensuring continuous service delivery or project progress. By handing off work between regional centers of excellence, COE, as the day progresses. Sync versus async. Global teams must balance synchronous work, real-time meetings, with asynchronous collaboration, accessing shared archives to maintain efficiency across time zones. Span of control and reporting relationships, structural intervention strategies in global design frequently examine the span of control, the number of subordinates a manager can effectively oversee, and reporting relationships. Matrix structures. Many transnational firms use matrix structures where an employee may report to two bosses, one from a product side and one from a geographic side. This requires high levels of communication as lines of authority are not always clear. Authority and hierarchy. Culture influences whether an organization leans toward hierarchical stratified structures where people know their place, or egalitarian designs where authority is earned and employees are empowered. Technology platforms. Technology is the defining force that enables globalization and shifts how employees think and act. Connectivity, collaborative ICT platforms such as Microsoft Teams or group-wide intranets are essential for sharing tacit knowledge and fostering group identity. Global HIRS. Organizations must move from domestic to global HR information systems, ensuring they can handle different input requirements, unit measurements, and cross-border data privacy regulations. Virtual operations. Technology allows for virtual internationalists who work on global projects without physical relocation. Though this requires specialized training in long-distance teamwork and relationship building,